If you want to share your writing online, Substack and Medium are two of the most popular platforms to consider. Both allow writers to publish content and grow an audience, but they serve different purposes and have unique approaches to monetization, audience building, and content control. What is Substack? Substack is a newsletter platform that allows writers to create and send email newsletters to their subscribers. It is designed for independent writers who want to build a direct relationship with their audience and have complete control over their content. One of Substack's biggest features is monetization. Writers can offer free or paid subscriptions, and Substack handles payment processing while taking a small percentage of earnings. This makes it a great option for creators who want to earn money directly from their readers without relying on ads or platform algorithms. What is Medium? Medium is a blogging and publishing platform where writers can publish articles that are shared across Medium's network. It has a built-in audience and algorithm that helps distribute content to readers who might be interested. Unlike Substack, Medium does not require writers to build an email list. Instead, it allows them to gain visibility through Medium's platform, where articles can be recommended to users based on their reading habits. Medium offers a partner program, which pays writers based on the amount of time members spend reading their articles. Key differences between Substack and Medium. Audience building. Substack requires writers to build their own audience through email subscriptions. The benefit is that writers own their subscriber list and can communicate directly with readers without platform interference. Medium has an existing audience, and articles can be discovered through Medium's recommendation system. However, writers don't own their audience, and visibility depends on the platform's algorithm. Monetization. Substack lets writers charge for their newsletters. Writers can offer free or paid subscriptions, and Substack takes 10% of the earnings. Writers keep full control over their pricing and subscriber list. Medium pays writers based on reading time from Medium members. Writers don't set their own prices and instead earn a share of the Medium Partner Program revenue, which varies based on how much engagement their articles receive. Which one is better? The choice between Substack and Medium depends on your goals as a writer. Choose Substack if you want to build a direct audience, monetize through paid subscriptions, and have full control over your subscriber list. It's best for writers who want to develop a long-term business model around their content. Choose Medium if you prefer to write without managing an email list, rely on platform discoverability, and earn money through the Medium Partner Program. It's ideal for writers who want their work to reach a broader audience without heavy self-promotion. Both Substack and Medium are powerful platforms for writers, but they serve different purposes.